Howdy ho, bitches! Woo! And welcome to another episode of GB's Super Spectacular Unboxing Adventures, where you never know what's going to come out of a box, or what kind of box it is, or whose box it come out of. But we'll find out very shortly. First, let's get uncanny with a beautiful can of beer. Cheers, big ears. Lovely. Today's box is a cardboard box. It weighs 530 grams. It's 10 inches by 8 inches by 5 inches in size. It's blue, a couple of shades of blue, white, yellow, and black. And green. And it sounds like this. When you shake it, it makes hardly any noise. And it looks like this. Woo! Hey, it's a Vault girl. There's a Vault girl. There's a Vault boy and a Vault boy. Sorry, we don't have Vault others. They're not making them. Maybe they won't, maybe they will. But look at this. It's a Vault girl. Let's see if there's a Vault girl inside. You never know. Could be a Vault other, could be a Vault boy. Oh, my goodness. It is a Vault girl. Box is empty. And in the box, we have a plastic holder holding our Vault girl. But you already have a Vault girl. Oh, get another one. They can, like, party. Look at that, eh? It's another Vault girl. Maybe they can get together and like les out or something. Wow. That's today's box, people. Another Vault girl. Woo! I'm running out of room. The counter will be covered in beers and Vault people. No room for making food. Cheers, big ears. Thanks for coming out to another one of GB's Super Spectacular Unboxing Adventures. RTFO, mofos. Woo! Cheers, big ears.